I'm backing up my Drobo onto a passport drive at the speed of 86 megabytes a second, and I'm measuring this here and here. And I mean, sometimes it's up and down, but anyway, this is pretty decent. So it's gonna take 18 hours, which I didn't plan on, but I don't want to risk it because I want to take out all the drives in my Jobo and I have to numerate them, and then I have to put 8 drives, uh, IronWolf Pro, 14 terabytes, NAS. Okay, so I mean, I already tried with the OneDrive and the Drobo read it. Now, I read online that the volumes on the Drobo can only be 30 terabytes. So, but I also read online that it can only take 4 terabyte drives maximum. So, but then 14 worked. So, I would like to know, and probably a lot of people would like to know if this thing will work. And it's so sad that's gonna happen in only about 10 hours and 30 minutes, according to the last measurement. And I'm sitting here. I put this beastly thing on the desk so I have easy access to it. I put it up here so we can test it and play around with it, but I am at the mercy of bandwidth because I was thinking to just swap the drives, but I said in the occasion that my Drobo bricks, at least I have the data backed up. And that also gave me a bunch of other thoughts, which are why should I keep a Drobo? If the Drobo itself dies, all those drives are useless and the data. So that got me thinking. I mean, I can put 14 terabytes drives, which is going to give me, well, 8 times 10 is 80 terabytes, and 8 times 4 is 32, so 112 minus, I don't know, for the, data protection, 90 terabytes. But to back up 90 terabytes, so I have to back it up on on another thing in case the Drobo dies. So it's going to be difficult to manage all this. Because if the Drobo dies, I don't think the data is recoverable off of a single drive or two or three or four. And I think I have to also install who knows what kind of software and contraptions, and data is data. And calculating this, which I haven't done, but thinking about it and doing all this, a Drobo, electricity, noise, space taken, I wonder if you can get the same type of service from one of these clouds and have the data in the cloud, have a pretty decent internet connection, and access the files as you need them.